Hi everyone, so welcome back. So today we are going to discuss how to create an S3 bucket and how to upload the files in the S3 bucket and how we migrate files from different storage classes. So let me discuss in detail. So first thing is we need to create a bucket. So for this we need to sign in into our AWS Management Console. So I have already signed in my account. So and find the S3 services. So click X3 services and we can find out this page. So after this you can create a bucket. So here our region is US East Virginia. So here I'm going to create a bucket type as general purpose. Here we need to provide a bucket name. So this bucket name should be in a unique in this region. So why I'm selecting this region, it's very popular region. So if you wanted to change the region, so you can click this here region and you can change the region whichever you want. So here I'm going to create a bucket. So for this I need to give a bucket name. So the bucket name should be unique. So keep in mind CSM. So here I am giving CSM123 and bucket ownership. So here for this, so I'm going to give this bucket as a public one. So that's why I'm going to give ACL enabled. So public block public access settings for this bucket. So here I'm enabled to public access, block public access. We will discuss in further what actually it is. So review all these things and click create bucket. Yes, our bucket was created. So now we are going to upload files in this bucket. So for this you just click the bucket. So here we have an options to upload the files. So here we can do two different options. First thing is we can add the files or we can add folder. In this folder we can add files to this folder. So here I directly add these files to this bucket. So click add bucket, add files. Here I'm adding some content into this bucket. So here I'm going to upload my files. So it takes several seconds to upload this file. Yes, our file was uploaded. So let's see our files. Yes, so here we have one bucket CSM123. So in this bucket we have a files. So once if we click this file, we can find out the details. So here the when was the bucket is created and the bucket size, bucket type, everything we can see it in this page. So here we have a storage class. Okay. So if you wanted to download this file, you can click download and you can get a downloaded copy. So here if I wanted to copy this URL and share it to someone else, then you can copy and share it with someone else. So now our URL is copied. I'm just going to paste this URL in my browser. So here we can't access to this file. Why? Because the bucket is restricted for public access. So now we are going to see how we can change the permissions. Yes, go to bucket, then click permissions. So here we have an option called block all public access is enabled. So I'm going to edit this public access. So here I am uncheck this block all public access and save changes. So it has confirm. So click confirm. Okay, so now we go to the bucket again. Click this. Click the files. Copy URL and paste it again. So again, source access denied. So let's see what has happened. So here we need to enable the permissions in the objects also. So here the public access will be declined. So I am going to edit this files public access. So I enable public access. So I understand the effect of these changes and click save changes. So successfully edited our access control. So now go to the bucket, again click the files. So now copy the URL and paste it once again. Now I'm going to check. Yes. Now we can access the public, access the files through the browsers. Okay. Okay guys, so next we are going to see how to change the storage classes. So for this, again go to the bucket and click the files. So here we can find out the options called actions. So click actions. So here we have option name called edit storage class. So you just click it. So in this storage class we can find out these different storage class. So now default we have a standard storage class, and we have intelligent tiering, standard 1G, one zone IA, Glacier, instant retrieval, Glacier flexible retriever, Glacier deep archive, reduced redundancy. So these are the storage classes available. So before going to change this storage class, so we need to confirm the other descriptions about the each and every storage class. For example, standard storage class, the availability zones must be greater than 3, and minimum duration is not specified, minimum and object size, everything. So if we select an intelligent tiering, so the availability zone again greater than 3. So there is no storage duration, there is no minimum available object size, but monitoring and auto tiering fees per object fees apply. So likewise we need to see each and every one. So here I am going to change this storage class as Glacier, right? Save changes. Yes, successfully we can edited storage class. So here we can find out one object is successfully edited, closed it, and we can now find it our new storage class, right? So likewise we can change our storage our file storage class from one migrating from one storage class to another storage class. So that's all about today's session. Thank you everyone. So happy learning.